OG, I'm out. I'ma holler. Where you going? I'm going to handle some business. What's up? I know you heard this monkeypox going around. Monkeypox? What they gotta do with me? Ain't no damn monkey. You don't have to be no monkey to get monkeypox, silly. Just like you don't have to be a chicken to get chickenpox. Oh. Well, it should be called human pox. And where they come up with the name anyway? Monkeypox, chickenpox. Google it. And that's beside the point. You need to wear a mask. Mask? Well, you better think of something. Because you come back with monkeypox, you sleeping outside for sure. I got a mask. Voila. Boy, now you looking like you about to rob somebody. What is? Yup. Put it on. Looks safe to me. Bye. Hold up, OG. I'm going to see my girl later. I can't be wearing no mask when I'm with my boo. I gotta kiss them juicy lips. Too much information. And I'm just saying, y'all better figure something out. Hey, player, get out the house with all that. Hey, I'm out. And my mom's calling tonight, so I'll be back. All right. Mask. Arnez.